The healthcare reform plan has a lot of small businesses wondering just how they're going to pay to cover their employees.
Fox 11's Mark Leland's been looking at that part of the story. He's in our News and Content Center tonight. And Mark, business owners with mixed reaction, depending on who you talk to?
That's right, Tom. Many feel they would like their employees to have health coverage, but they worry how being forced to offer it is going to affect their bottom line.
When Titletown Brewing Company opened in Green Bay 14 years ago, employees at the time were offered health coverage, but very few opted for the benefit. And over time, with rising costs, the company benefit has dried up.
It was a good thing for the employees that took it, but for us, it was kind of an expensive thing to administer.
Titletown owner Brent Weicker admits he doesn't know all the workings of the government plan, but that covering a share of his employees' health coverage will only force costly changes elsewhere.
Does that mean higher, prices for some of my products? Probably, likely. Does that mean getting rid of certain people, just because we can't afford to, that may be the case.
Small business owners aren't the only ones concerned about the impact of the healthcare reform legislation. Those who sell insurance have questions and concerns, too.
As far as the ins and outs of who has to be covered and the limits and those type of things, we don't really know yet.
State Farm agent John Allen offers his customers health insurance. He's concerned about being forced to accept clients with pre-existing conditions.
So it may sound great on the surface, but you're talking about having to insure somebody that could, possibly cost that insurance company millions of dollars.
Under the plan approved, employers will be subjected to financial penalties if they do not offer affordable coverage to their employees. Small businesses that do offer coverage, though, can get tax credits of up to 35% of premiums. Employers with at least 50 employees will be subjected to the rule starting in 2014. And that would include Titletown Brewing Company with 75 employees.
I don't know what the cost will be, and it's just kind of scary right now.
Very scary indeed for some. There are many unknowns for businesses at this point. Weicker says, like others, he will now be reading up on the new legislation. Tom?
Mark, thank you very much.